Alright guys, so been up here for a few minutes already, took a few pictures, and I just noticed that there's actually a fireplace over here. Of course, that looks a little sketchy. But let's check out this fireplace. I mean, look at this, guys. I hope I don't step on any nails. Look at that, would not feel good going through my shoe. And this is sketchy, but I'm risking it for you guys. Oh, was that a fireplace? I think it was. I don't know, man. It smells pretty fresh. This couldn't have happened too long ago. Check that out. That's pretty awesome. Look at that tank. I haven't noticed that tank yet either. Propane tank. That's what that was. I'm surprised that didn't blow up. This looked like it got pretty hot. Damn. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys had, about a year ago, I released a video exploring, it was something titled like abandoned warehouse, what was this place, infested with bees. I told you guys I wanted to come and check this house out. If I got like 100 likes or something like that. Well, this is that house. So I'll leave a card in the description. It has since burnt down. You can go back and check out that video. You kind of see about how this house looked right before it burnt down. Because this house was fully intact not even a year ago. Check this out, guys. See a lot of nails. Look at that. The hot tub. Yeah, I think it was. I can see jets in there and everything. Look at that. Wow. That's crazy. You guys seeing all that? This was the bathroom. This wall's just like caving in. Anyways, I want to show you guys real quick. That's the spot where you guys can see it. Yeah, here we go. Just the camera a little better. That's the spot where I recorded that warehouse infested with bees. Then I'm down there, kind of where my truck is, in Nick's car. You can I pan up and look right here, and you can see that this house is completely intact. So yeah, be sure to check that video out, guys. Look, everybody, exploring with Nick.
What up?
What's up, man? So what do you think about the spot?
Dude, it's actually not too bad. I wish we would have hit it up before.
Yeah, I know, right?
Got, burnt down.
I have a feeling if we would have got here like 2, maybe 3 months ago, the spot was probably.
Yeah.
You can still kind of smell the char from everything.
Oh man.
But yeah, it's a pretty cool spot. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 909 Adventures. We're out here in the middle of nowhere, exploring with Nick.
What's up, YouTube?
And then, I mean, check it out, guys. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. So, we're gonna go check out this spot up here. And, by the way, if you guys haven't checked out Exploring with Nick, I'll leave a link in the description down below. And, check him out, let him know that I sent you guys. on the side of the wall here. Dang. Yeah, you know, I'm pretty sure that this was abandoned for a while. Dang, almost kind of don't know where to step. Yeah, wow. Look at that. Refrigerator. We got to see what's in it. Yeah, I bet there was like squatters here or something, and probably had a fire going in that fireplace over there. I bet they had like a chimney fire. Look at this. What do you think? What do you think is going to be in it? Who do you think is going to be in it? Oh, it's like glued shut. Oh, you know what? I seen the handles. I was trying to pull it in from the wrong side. Okay, now let's check it out. So let me get you guys some light going here. I'm trying not to breathe. There ain't much in there. It's a nice tray. Nothing. And it actually doesn't even have a smell to it, which is kind of odd. Normally these old refrigerators, maybe because this one's in the shade, you guys can see, you open those refrigerators and they stink. I've heard stories, guys. I haven't come across one that was too bad yet, but I've heard stories, man. Check that out. Let's go check out that old filing cabinet. Nothing. Look, somebody busted out the lock. They either lost the key or really wanted to get in there. They had cats. Sorry, I'm not a cat person. I'm actually highly allergic to cats. So, for all you cat people out there, sorry. Oh, look at this, guys. I just barely noticed that. Little violin case. Alright, so I was about to close out the video, but I don't know how I completely missed this. Maybe that's why. What, guys, look at. What? Why would this be out here? It's like a little playroom, but completely detached from the house. Look at this. There's even the these little tiles. I don't know, dude. What was going on here? This is kind of odd. Alright, guys, that's gonna just about do it for this episode. I mean, guys, again, Exploring with Nick. Go check him out. Link is in description. You know, what's your Instagram? You got any social media?
Instagram, Exploring with Nick. All three of them. I just made a Facebook, also Exploring with Nick. I appreciate if you guys check that out.
Yeah, so go check him out. Let him know that I sent you guys, so he knows. I don't know where I'm going with that, but yeah, just let him know I sent you guys. And don't forget to subscribe, like his video, also like this video, and make sure all your guys' notifications are turned on so you guys get the video immediately as soon as it's uploaded. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bartender, Coors Light, please.